Hi. Okay. Front bumper is off. Now we take this whole front off with headlamps, coolers, everything. Time to strip it. Okay. Front is off. Tensioner is off earlier. And what a mess. Okay. Someone been here already. Yeah, okay, that's not a problem. Okay, strip it. All this must go off. Everything has to go off. Okay, let's party. Okay. Harness from ECU 1 and 2 is disconnected. Ground is disconnected. Second ground, big ground under here is disconnected. Power wire disconnected. Water, I hope is all disconnected. SI is disconnected here. AC is disconnected. Exhaust is out. Subframe is out. Suspension is out from subframe. And now clutch pedal wire from clutch disconnected. I have to disconnect. Axles front I have to disconnect. Drive shaft is disconnected. And I hope that's all, and the engine is out. Gonna be out, but wiring here is very long. Okay, I hope the engine gonna be out soon and we will strip it. Engine coming out with the gearbox. That's gonna be faster and easier. Okay, we have it. Engine is out. One big engine with gearbox. Now we have to strip it. Manifold off, 1, 2, harness off, gearbox off. Everything must go off. I hope I'll take today heads 1 and 2. Slowly but forward. Okay, let's party. Okay, headers are off, harness off. Now I'm gonna take the gearbox out and the engine we can tear apart. New starter, interesting. Okay. Headers with cuts, loom or harness. Okay, the clutch is out. It's seen better days. This is worn out. Have to replace it. Pressure plate is little overheated. Nothing bad. It's smooth, but it's not new. Okay. Oops, it's upside down everything. Stupid phone. Okay. Cover is off. Cams look fine. I undo some screws. This two chain looks like it's new, but we will see when I strip it all. Okay, first head going out. Undo this bolts. Comes off. Intake and exhaust. Here for the here have the screws for no, you know how you call it, timing blocks, you know. Okay, let's do this. Okay, heads are off. Here's the problem: cylinder number 3. I thought that was number 4, but no. But number 4 is something wrong with him. But you will see something. Watch. God damn, this cylinder is, wait, sorry, not cylinder but piston. Watch. Piston have to go second. This one too. This one is okay, I think. No, watch. Down there. I don't like it. Another side, watch. This piston, what a mess. In one part of time in his life, this engine had pretty rough life. Every piston had problem. What to do? Okay, watch this. I don't like it. We will see. We will see what to do. I must think about it. I have to strip it to the bare bones. See the crank, how it looks, and then I will think. Okay, let's party. Okay, every accessory is off. Alternator is off. Everything is off. Oil cooler system is off. Everything laying down here. Now, timing chain cover and bottom of the engine. Let's see. Next, look at this. The last one. Knock. Oh. Oh, maybe some light. Okay, let's see. We have engine tear apart. Here are the main bearings. Only this one looks a little rough, but this and not so bad. Block is, we will see when I flip it. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see. This is the pistons 5 to 8. I see worse, but this isn't the worst. Here and here. What the hell? I don't like this. Okay, 1 to 4. 1 is not so bad either. But second one has something like that. Third, I didn't feel this, but number 4, I feel this, and this is very bad. The worst one. This is cylinder number 4. The engine, I think, have to be sleeved on all cylinders. New pistons, crankshaft is toasted too. You will see. I don't know if you're gonna see this. Light focus, but you will see junk. Here is the where bearing is toasted, was toasted, and this is junk. And no, okay. Oil pump look like this, and it don't look, and it's looking pretty good. But if you hear this, it's grinding something. Oh, here it's stuck. This is junk. The fuel pump is junk. Okay. Here we have the bearings from the cam. Not cam, crankshaft. They don't look awful, but good either too. They isn't. Oh, this is the worst one. They don't look shattered, but worn out. Okay, now the bearings from rods. We will see. Nice one. This is from cylinder number 4, 7, and 8. Number 3 doesn't exist, and they are junk. I think the first one, the oil pump died. I don't know what happened with her, and then the bearings died. I don't know. Front bearings isn't so bad, but otherwise they're toasted too. Junk. Pistons. A couple of them are good, but a couple of them are junk. Look at this one. I don't know. Oh, cylinder number 3. Here is when the here the bearing spin and disintegrated. The rods look not so bad. Okay, the plan for the engine is new crankshaft and block to sleeves, couple new pistons, couple new rods, new bearings, new oil pump, everything new. And she gonna live another life, new life, better life. Okay, let's see. See ya for now. Take care.